So today I'm going to be testing out the Pavo Pico. The ESC does support 3S batteries, which is amazing. But today we're just going to try out the stock DJI 3. The battery runs out in around like 4 minutes after flying. If I'm brave enough, I'll do some dives. Accurate mode. What? That's crazy. Let's pull a low dive. That's crazy. Oh, did a little aileron roll? Kill it. No! There will be a lot more footage with this thing because this thing is absolutely wild. In the world of Earth, I totally forgot that there was this thing called condensation. So now my camera is just all blurry now because the internals of the lens are just full of water. This is round 2 of Pavo Pico. Flew really well yesterday, so I wanted to try it again. Let's get into accurate mode. Let's go. Let's do a another dive here. Shoot, dude. We're doing aileron rolls all day long. Battery's going low, so my heart is pumping super quick. I mean, that's pretty good for a drone this size. Here. Oh, wow. That was such a good one. So this time I have successfully landed without without crashing the thing. Kill it. No! Sounds good. And I'll see you in the next one. See you.